Differences between facts and opinions in a reading text. Facts. These are statements that can be verified as true or false based on evidence, research, or observation. Facts are objective and not influenced by personal feelings or beliefs. Opinions. These are subjective statements that express personal beliefs, feelings, or judgments. Opinions cannot be proven true or false because they are based on individual perspectives. Sample text on climate change. Climate change is a serious problem that affects the whole world. Scientists say that the Earth's average temperature has gone up by about 1.1 degrees Celsius since the late 1800s because of greenhouse gases. This increase in temperature has caused more extreme weather, such as stronger storms, longer droughts, and hotter heat waves. Most experts believe that human activities, like burning coal and cutting down forests, are the main reasons for climate change. For instance, research from NASA shows that the amount of carbon dioxide in the air has risen by more than 50% since the start of the industrial age. These changes are harming nature, and some animals may disappear because they are losing their homes. On the other hand, some people think that the dangers of climate change are not as bad as scientists say. They argue that natural changes in the Earth's climate also play a big role, and that humans are not fully to blame. They also point out that climate models sometimes make mistakes when predicting future weather, which they believe shows uncertainty in climate science. Even though people have different opinions, many agree that we need to do something about climate change. Using clean energy sources like solar and wind power is often suggested as a good solution. Supporters say these energy sources can help reduce pollution and create new jobs. Facts identified in the text. The Earth's average temperature has increased by about 1.1 degrees Celsius since the late 1800s. Scientific data. Carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere have risen by more than 50% since industrial times. NASA research. Climate change has caused more extreme weather events like storms and droughts. From scientific data. Opinions identified in the text. Climate change is a serious problem that affects the whole world. This is a judgment about its importance. Some people think that the dangers of climate change are not as bad as scientists say. This reflects a belief held by certain groups. Many agree that we need to do something about climate change. This expresses a subjective call for action. Explanation. The facts in this text are based on measurable evidence from scientific studies, making them reliable and verifiable. The opinions express beliefs or judgments about climate change's severity, or what should be done about it, which cannot be proven true or false because they depend on personal or collective perspectives. That is all. Thank you for your attention.